Hello there. Let's dive into how to add a goal in Haatch App. Firstly, let's quickly explore the types of goals you can track with Haatch. With Haatch you can add numeric value goals. These goals can be either ascending or descending. For example, saving $50,000 is an ascending value goal as you need to accumulate the numbers to reach your target. On the other hand, losing 5 kilograms or 11 pounds is a descending value type of goal, where you start from a higher value and aim to reach a lower value. And then we have non-numeric value goals. As the name suggests, these are goals that do not have an associated numeric value to measure progress. For instance, a goal to run a marathon this year falls under this category. Since these goals lack a numerical value, tracking them can be more challenging. In Haatch App, you can address this by adding milestones for these goals. Milestones allow you to break down your goal into measurable steps, making it easier to track your progress along the way. Now let's dive deeper into each type of goal and see how you can effectively set it up. From the dashboard, tap the big round plus button, and then tap Let's Go for a new goal button. Add the name of your goal. Let's imagine I want to put aside $20,000. Add your start value. If you're starting from scratch, enter 0. But if you already have a certain amount saved, enter that specific number. Set your target value, the numeric value you aim to reach, in our case 20,000. Choose the unit type for your goal, selecting from a list of predefined units or creating your own. Specify the start date and deadline for your goal. And don't forget to add reminders to help you stay on track. Congratulations! Your goal is now created and visible on your dashboard. We highly recommend breaking down any kind of goal into smaller manageable steps and focusing on each individual milestone, rather than the entire goal. By focusing on individual milestones, you experience a sense of progress and accomplishment, which positively impacts your motivation and self-efficacy. This approach prevents overwhelm and allows you to maintain momentum by consistently achieving smaller milestones on your journey towards the ultimate goal. Now, let's explore adding milestones to your goal. Tap on your goal and navigate to the third tab. Tap Add New Milestone and input the details for your milestone. Repeat this process for all the milestones you want to add to reach your overall goal target. Whenever you want to add progress to your goal, just swipe from left to right on the dashboard and add the value you want to add. In our case, let's say I just put aside $200 today. I will be entering this value here, and now, if I tap on the goal and check goal stats, I can already see how my stats have been updated. Also, I have already completed 40% of my first milestone. It's time to add a goal with descending value. Let's say I want to drop my body fat from 22% to 20%. I will go through the same process as before to set up my goal. And let's say that I want to track the progress that I had. I lost 1% of body fat. We always tracking the value towards our target goal, and not the current value of body fat after the 1% loss. I will be adding here the number 1, and now, I can see how I am halfway through reaching my target value. Let's see how to also add a goal without value. Let's say I want to run my first marathon a year from now. Since I want to track my progress toward reaching my ambition, I will have to break down my goal into smaller steps that sum up my desired outcome. What actions do I need to take in order to reach this goal? Well, first of all, I will need to train progressively, right? Let's start with adding a comfortable 5K within the next 2 months. Think about the speed and pace you want to have for your 5K so that you can define what comfortable means to you. Once you can comfortably run a 5K, aim to participate in and successfully complete a 10K race within a few months. This milestone helps you progress towards longer distances. Shift your focus towards training for a half marathon, typically a 21 kilometers or 13.1 mile race. Allocate sufficient time to train and gradually increase your mileage. Now it's time to engage in a structured marathon training plan, which typically spans several months. Follow the plan to gradually increase your mileage, incorporate speed work, and build endurance. Each time you reach a milestone, go to your dashboard to track it and celebrate your progress. And that's a wrap. I hope this guide has been informative. Remember, our team is here to assist you if you have any further questions. Now go out there and crush those goals.